Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your SOL tokens for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups in the crypto world. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exmo. You'll need some Solana in your Coinbase wallet and the exact wallet address from Exmo. Oh, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's a must in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard and find your Solana wallet. It should be listed under your assets. Once you're there, click on the Send or Withdraw button. This will open a form where you'll enter the recipient's details. Next, switch to your Exmo account. Go to your wallet section, select Solana, and copy your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Make sure you get it right because crypto transfers are irreversible. Back on Coinbase, paste this address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated cost before confirming. Before you hit that confirm button, review everything twice. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're good, go ahead and approve the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it via email or your authenticator app. Now, sit tight. Solana transactions on the blockchain are usually fast, but it could take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Exmo wallet to confirm the arrival of your SOL. And there you have it. Your Solana is now on Exmo. If you run into any issues, reach out to the support teams or double-check transaction details on a blockchain explorer. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.